How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another YouTube video. So I wanted to talk to you guys about the recent article I just found talking about Coinbase. They're firing 18% of their staff and they're warning of a crypto winter. So this is a huge exchange warning of a crypto winter. It's something to consider, especially with the prices we've seen over the past couple of days. Obviously, this has had a lot to do with the inflation rates happening, and the crypto market is not the only market that has been suffering. You guys, if you're living in the U.S., honestly, all around the world, but I notice it because I live in the U.S., the gas prices have gone up dramatically and stock markets have tanked. And it seems as if that hourly wage that they increased a couple months ago or a year ago, now we're right back to where it doesn't really matter. So let's get right into the video. So this article will be in the description below, but crypto exchange Coinbase will sack 18% of staff amid fears of an incoming crypto winter. So this is kind of a preventative measure. The company said that it feared that a recession could bring with it a crypto winter that could last for an extended period that in turn would hit trading volumes, Coinbase's primary source of income. Brian Armstrong, Coinbase's chief executive and co-founder, said that he admitted the company had grown too quickly and was to blame for at least some of its problems. But now it faces a situation in which it had to sack a large proportion of its staff in order to keep the company secure through any future economic downturn. Coinbase employees were to receive emails from HR to tell them their jobs were affected. Those would be sent to their personal email addresses, since the people being sacked would lose access immediately to the company's systems. In his announcement, Mr. Armstrong said that the decision had been taken predominantly because Coinbase's staff grew by more than 4 times in the last 18 months. That is crazy. He said, and the cost to pay them is now too high. He also said that the company had grown so quickly that the new staff actually made the company less efficient because they could not be effectively integrated into the team. Both of these come back to my decision to significantly scale our team over the past 2 years, so this accountability rests fully with me, he said. He also hopes to hire staff that have been fired back again. Coinbase's fortunes rise and fall with the crypto market, and its growth came amid rapid increases in the price of digital currencies. Between the beginning of 2021 and November of the same year, the price of Bitcoin had more than doubled, for instance. But those fortunes have been shaken in recent months. Over 2022, the price has plunged dramatically, and it is worth less than half what it was at the beginning of the year. The weak performance had come amid increasing concern about broader economic trends. Mr. Armstrong noted fears that the economy could be headed for a recession, and said that tends to bring with it weak performance in cryptocurrency markets too. So let's just go to the Bitcoin price right now. Over to the past year and go to January, and yeah, we're at $42,000 at let's go to the exact date, $43,000 in the beginning of the year, 6 months ago, and now we are at $22,000. So we have seen a almost half price in Bitcoin. Now, there are some pros and cons to that. Obviously, we're going to CoinMarketCap. There have been a crap load of coins that are just tanking. They're all following the price of Bitcoin, as they usually do. Cryptos right now, there are 19,864 different crypto coins on CoinMarketCap. It'll be interesting to see how many coins fall off in the next couple of months due to this low price, especially what's been going on with Celsius. And basically one of the center points for DeFi, a lot of the coins are on DeFi, such as PancakeSwap. There's so many other ones out there. Solana is a DeFi coin, but that's a little bit different. Going on to the Coinbase stock, $51.58. It has gone down dramatically in the past couple of days. I want to say Wednesday is when stuff got released, and with the inflation rate, and now we're seeing a dramatic decrease in the price. It looks like we have lost 16% in the past month. If we go to the past 5 days, you've lost almost 26%, and you've lost 0.8%, almost 1%. But that does carry on with the rest of the stock market. If I were to go to the stock market right now, losses today. Let's see. You're gonna be able to see a bunch of coins, not coins, companies and their shares going down. And obviously, I did just look at the day losers, but the S&P 500 has gone down 14 points, which is 0.38%. Dow is 0.5%, and it's a lot. So it'll probably, the Dow is probably going to end up going below 30,000 again. No big deal. Been there, done that. But seeing as companies such as Coinbase, which is pretty much the number one in the US as far as exchanges, centralized exchanges, had to fire 18% of their staff and warns of a crypto winter. An article like this, which came out 11 hours ago, and I'm recording on the 14th of June, is going to probably send some more price calls. And you're going to see a lot. Look at that Tether. You're going to see a lot of these coins. Wow, it got depegged for a little bit. You're going to see a lot of these coins lose even more value, in my personal opinion. Obviously, that is not financial advice, but this is a sign to make sure that you guys are on top of your finances. Make sure you're not selling what make sure you're not buying more than you have, and make sure that you aren't putting your whole life savings into this. I've seen a couple people with Celsius and with Terra Luna and with Dogecoin and Shiba Inu and stuff like that. And I'm sure there's some stories we'll start to hear with Bitcoin and Ethereum, is that people are putting their life savings into this, taking out mortgages, putting their kids' college funds into these tokens. And now they are saying they are losing it all, especially with Celsius pausing withdrawals. We're going to see that come up in the future with other companies. I guarantee, whether it's Coinbase, Binance, Gate.io, that is still up in the air. Probably, if anything, I would say KuCoin would be one that would pause. But don't hold my word to that. It's just because Binance US and Coinbase.com have strict regulations. They run their companies well. But let me know what you guys think. Are you scared for the Coinbase news that they've fired 18% of their employees? I'm not even sure how many people they actually employ. Let me see if I can find that. They have about 5,000 employees right now. So it looks like CBS News just made another article. So 5,000 times 15%. So they're going to lay off 750 workers. And it didn't actually say when exactly that's going to happen, but it'll be interesting to see how this pans out, if Coinbase is going to struggle or not. I don't think it's going to be. I think it's going to be fine because, like the article said, they expanded too quickly. And yeah, so let me know what you guys think. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, put them in the comment section below. Feel free to join my Discord server where we can discuss about this more. And I will catch you all in the next video. Thank you for watching. Peace out.